Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. It's another lovely sunny spring afternoon and I'm here today to show you more of what Langham House behind me has to offer. It's a wonderful, proudly positioned 5-bedroom property with the benefit of a superb 1-bedroom holiday unit set in beautiful 4 acres of grounds. We've got work from home space and all sorts of other elements, so let's go and have a look to see what it has to offer. So here we are inside. The kitchen here is fantastic. It's got a really good specification. These worktops, apparently you can chisel, burn, anything, and they unblemish. It's absolutely incredible. And the attention to detail within the kitchen is exceptional. You've got solid wood within the drawers themselves, integrated appliances. We have a hob here on my right, which is fantastic. The cosy but spacious lounge is dual aspect, and again the main standout feature in the room is the slate fireplace with an inset multi-fuel burner, which creates a lovely cosy atmosphere. So here we are. For those of you that love to entertain, not just with music, but also with hospitality, you'll notice that the dining room is large enough to accommodate a superb table here as well. And when you've finished the entertaining, you can come in here for a relaxing drink in this wonderfully well-equipped bar and take in the most amazing of the views over the surrounding farmland with Carradon Hill and Bodmin Moor in the distance. So upstairs we have 5 bedrooms. The main bedroom, which we see here, is a great size. It's got the benefit of a large dressing area with built-in storage and wardrobe space, and an exquisite shower room WC with a large double shower, all with locally sourced sanitary ware. The 1-bedroom cottage is adjacent to the property but entirely detached and has been used to generate valuable supplementary income for some time. The guest book is full of complimentary comments of holiday tenants and their stay here at Langham House, and this for me does promote the fact that the lifestyle on offer could be one where you can also continue with this. For more information, please contact Fine & Country on 01566 771919.